Hello student, my name is Alok Vyas. In the next class, we learn friction. So what is friction? Friction is a part of a whole. It represents two or more than equal parts of a whole object. An example, 3 by 4. Now what is 3 by 4? 4 is whole number and 3 is a part of a whole object. Okay. Here one terminology are used. What is 3? 3 is a numerator. Numerator. This is fraction bar. Or this is denominator. Denominator. Upper part is known as numerator or lower part is called denominator. So we can also write it denominator upon denominator is friction. Okay. Friction is also a part of a set. Okay. Here we take an example of a set. In this set, 3 blue bars and 1 red bar. Total ball is 4 and 3 bars are blue. Then 3 by 4 is the friction. That means 3/4 balls are blue. 3/4 balls are blue. Because in this set, 3 balls are blue and 1 is red. Means 3 by 4 balls are blue. Okay. Now talk about unit friction. In unit friction, which had one had as a denominator. For example, 1/4, 1/9, 1/10, and this friction denominator are always 1. That's why it's called unit friction. Now coming the next point, what is like friction and unlike friction? In like friction, the denominator are always same. For example, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, or 8/4. In this whole friction, denominator are same. That's why it is called like friction. What is unlike friction? In unlike friction, denominator are different. Denominator are totally different. For example, 2/6, 3/9, or 4/10. This is the different denominator. That's why it's called unlike friction. Okay. Now come on the next topic, proper friction. What is proper friction? In proper friction, numerator is always less than the denominator. Denominator is less than denominator. Then the friction is known as proper friction. For example, 2/8. 2/8. And this 2 is less than 8. That's why denominator is less than denominator. That's why the 2/8 is proper friction. Okay. Now come on the point, next point, improper friction. Improper friction is the reciprocal of a proper friction. Means there are the two conditions. Here for the improper friction, there are the two conditions. First condition is denominator is greater than denominator. First condition. Second condition is denominator is equal to denominator. Yes. So these two conditions follow for improper friction. For example, 20/8. Here denominator is greater than denominator. 20 is greater than 8. That's why this friction is a type of improper friction. Taking second example from the second condition, 8 upon 8. In this condition, numerator and denominator. Numerator is 8 and denominator also 8. So, this friction is also known as improper friction. Okay? Next, our last topic is mixed friction. In this mixed friction, it is the sum of natural number and proper friction is known as mixed friction. Take an example. We have take 3 balls. One of ball is half heated. That's why we take half. Other 2 is full. Then this is 1 plus 1. It's called 2. 2 is the natural number and half is the proper friction. This why it is the plus sum of proper friction and natural number is called mixed friction. So that is a mixed friction. Okay. The formula is that natural number plus proper friction equal to mixed friction. Okay. This is the short introduction about friction. Thank you so much.